with tire chains on the front. You know what I mean?
What'd Sue think of this stupid idea?
Susie thought it was, you know, did I talk? I'm sure I talked to her about it. Part of the process here of getting the Plesiosaur out to the swamp is we got to make sure that when I get these forestry chains on, and I tell you what, I love these things when they're on, but they are not meant to get taken on and off very easily. It's a two-man job. And as you can see, I'm working here at night. I got one on, it's not safety on. I got to safety wire that down. A couple of things too. I just don't like to listen to chains rattle, so I'll safety wire that down as well. But I got one on. Tomorrow in the daylight, I'm going to try to get the other one on.
Frozen already?
That won't happen. We will unfreeze it. It'll be defreezed.
Yeah. The transmission's jerky on this. This shit, the
Where's the dry area? I mean, where is it out of water?
Well, the dry area is right here, but this grows tall, whereas this stuff kind of, if we could get it on the bog, I think you can see where the bog is. Walk out there, look for,
It's not. Fuck, it's all wet. No, there's a fucking foot or more of water in there. Yeah, see?
I thought that would be frozen over. Well, let's do it. Let's put it right kind of where you're at. Or on this mound right here. That is a no-brainer. You can put it where I can drive down there no problem. You know what I mean?
Well, fuck all, you don't even have to drive down here then. You just come in from where you're standing.
Well, it's a little easier coming in this way. It's a little bit more gradual.
Yeah, at Babs, when we were trenching in that table, the ground wasn't even froze yet because all the snow was insulating it. Are you coming down on... Oh, all right. I just have it facing that way like it's crawling out of the swamp.
Okay.
Can you get down anymore? Turn your wheels to the right. All right, right about here. That's pretty good here, ain't it? Back up about 2 feet though. Okay, bring her down. What do you think? What do you think?
Well, people have a good view of it here. It's out of the right of way. You want to make sure it's out of the right of way. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Is the snowmobile going to hit it down here?
They're not supposed to be here.
All right. Just like if they hit a log. All right, here, back up. Let's take a look at it. I can probably lift it and turn it. It's only a couple 100 pounds, maybe 300. Maybe if I turn it just a little bit. So he's facing more this way maybe, I don't know. Now it's more perpendicular to the road so people coming from both directions can see it. See, I was thinking on a post about another 30 feet into the bog, but that bog ain't froze yet.
Right. I kind of wish it was a lot bigger.
Yeah, well, already that's 450 bucks worth of steel. Make it twice as big, it'd take 4 times the steel.
Right.
8 times the steel.
choice of art.
I mean, I could. Oh, he must have come in the other way.
He did. I don't know why he didn't see us.
Oh, that sucker's not green.
You know, we all thought it was green. And Mark's like, his wife thought it was green. I thought it was green.
Nice green truck. We're trying to figure out which. Yeah, we're trying to figure out which way we should point it.
I like it. We can't get it on the bog because the pond's not frozen whatsoever.
Yeah, I walked down there and I just about got my feet wet.
Maybe if I turn just a little bit. Which way do you want to turn it? That's kind of what I was thinking, but I went, well, let's go drop it. We can figure it out. All right, let's turn it.
We should freaking weld on a drink holder and a bottle opener on this.
Something like that.